In this story, you learn the life lesson that nobody will come to help you and you have potential to do it alone. This story is above a young man trying to solve his own problem without anybody's help.
Mr. Whitfield, please, I just need an hour. The windmill's gears are jammed, and the storm's coming.
I've got my own fields to bring in, Thomas. Every man's stretched thin.
Without that mill, we can't grind the wheat in time. We'll lose everything.
Then find someone else. I'm sorry, lad.
Old Ben, you fixed this mill years ago. Can you take a look?
My hands don't work like they used to. I wish I could help.
Anyone? Please, does anyone have an hour to spare?
We're all in the same storm, Thomas. Every hand's busy.
Then it's just me and the mill. All right, where do I start? This gear's ground down, and this bolt's rusted clean through. Come on, think. The teeth need to be even, or the wheel binds. That's not it. Try again. Wait, if I turn this cog backward, the whole shaft loosens. It's moving! It's actually moving! One more bolt. Just one more. Hold. Please hold. The gears are turning smooth. I did it! I actually did it!
Thomas? Is that mill turning on its own?
Not on its own, Mr. Whitfield. I fixed it myself.
By yourself? With no help at all?
Every bit of it. There wasn't anyone else, so I had to figure it out.
Well, I'll be. You did what I couldn't do at half your age.
I almost gave up asking for help. Before I even tried doing it myself.
The storm's rolling in now! Is the mill ready?
It's ready! Bring in the wheat! We grind tonight! I used to think I needed everyone's hands. Turns out, I just needed my own. Next time something breaks, I won't go knocking on every door in the village first. I'll just roll up my and start turning the gears myself.
Here you learn that you just do it alone. Don't wait for help, and maybe it takes time, but you can it alone for sure.